The HOGOKIDS 5-in-1 RC Robot Building Set is an innovative toy that can be assembled into 5 different models, including robots, bulldozers, anti-aircraft, and tanks, stimulating children's imagination and creativity. This robot set is not only controlled by a remote, but also offers app control with 4 modes: driving mode, gravity sensing, path, and programming mode, which brings a whole new level of interactive play. The HOGOKIDS Robot is rechargeable, made from high-quality ABS material, and comes with a 2.4 GHz remote control that provides a stable signal without interference. As a STEM educational toy, this robot set allows children to learn technology and physics knowledge, enhance hand-eye coordination and practical skills, and improve logical thinking. Bright colors and a technological design make this robot set a perfect gift for children aged 6 to 12, especially for those who are screen-obsessed. At a price of $36.99, the HOGOKIDS 5-in-1 Robot has received a review score of 4.4, making it a popular and well-received product.